Right. Now both off and cut, everything's off. And basically what I have to do now is get some box section, yeah, which is the right measurement, you see. Mark it, yeah, cut it down there, and then cut it there. Cut maybe 4-inch, 2 pieces of 4-inch, tack weld them, then measure with a level that they're both level. Then I'll have to go to the. It's lucky we have this. We have another Jeep to take our measurements from. Right, so yeah, and just measure it from maybe the axle or yeah, so about 422 up to the end. So you see, it's an extra, yeah, it's about an extra 3.5 inch, 3.25 inch. So yeah, I'll put longer pieces, and then you have to level it like this and level it like this, right? So your bumper doesn't do that or that. Yeah. So then when you're looking at, from the front of the Jeep, you won't see this, right? And if you're looking from the side, you won't see that. With the Jaguar, oh, it was a nightmare, because the bumpers are not attached to any part of the car, or the chassis. There is no chassis. They're onto the bonnet. So if it moves slightly like that, it looks like a smiling Jag. Yeah. See you later.